Today, OpenBSD 6.8 released. It is an Unix-based operating system that focuses on security. It supports many hardware platforms such as 64-bit computers, ARM64, other ARM devices, HP workstations, normal x86 computers, Mac PowerPC with PowerPC G3, G4, and G5, IBM Power 64 systems, Spike 64 system made by Sun Microsystems and Spike Fujitsu. It also offers very different download types. The install.img to write the system on a USB stick, the floppy disk for older machines, and the install.iso to write the image on a CD. It has project goals to provide the best development platform with security, because security is the main focus on OpenBSD. Release every 6 months. You can see the changelog between 6.7 and 6.8. There are improvements in PowerPC 64. The Talos workstation is supported. Together with Power 9 IBM, there are kernel improvements to prevent bugs. Improvement hardware support, for example with this new modem and this serial port. A lot of new network hardware, both wired and wireless, as for example the Intel AC9560. Improvements in PF, the default firewall used in OpenBSD, and its file system, because before it was another one. Now FFS2, it is faster. IPsec, it is EKEV2, it means VPN, because EKEV2 is made by the OpenBSD Foundation 2 together with OpenSMT and LibreSSL. Every one of those is supported and developed by the same OpenBSD Foundation.